Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. Please, if you're just joining for the first time, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much and God bless you. Right now, I will be teaching you how to request a new PIN if the old one did not arrive or maybe if it is lost. I'll be teaching you on how to request new PIN on Adsense. When you sign up on YouTube or maybe your website AdSense, then after you reach a requirement of $10, they will send you verification. And once you've done the verification, they will send you address verification. After doing identity verification, they will send you address verification, which they will send PIN to your home address. So most times the PIN won't arrive due to maybe you made a mistake on the address, or maybe the PIN is lost or something like that. But if you lost your PIN, that is not the end for you. You can request a new PIN, or maybe you packed out of the particular address that you are living. Nothing spoiled. You can still make changes. So right now, let's go quickly to my AdSense account so that I will show you how to do it. All right, so we go. So once you come here, once you come to this place, this is my Google AdSense account, as you can see. So what you have to do now is to click on this place. Click on this place, this menu. Once you click on that menu, it will bring all these things home: ads, sites, privacy and messaging, blocking control, report, optimization, policy center, payment, account, feedback. Then what you have to do is to click on this. You click on this policy, you click on this policy center. I'm sorry. So I was distracted. What you have to do is to click on payment. What you have to do to change your address, what you have to do is to click on payment. Once you click on payment, then you come to this place, you click on verification check. Verification check. Once you click on verification check, as you can see, I have passed identity verification, which is this identity verification. I'm done with that one, so it is completed. Then the next thing is this AdSense verification. This AdSense verification need attention. This AdSense verification, address verification. So this address verification, I have requested for a PIN, and the PIN did not arrive. I've not gotten it, and it's up to 1 month now. So what I have to do is to change my address, which I have done. I've changed my address to my second house because I'm having two places I'm living. So one is my personal house, the other one is rented house. So what you have to do now, after changing your address, make sure you change your address before requesting a new PIN. Or maybe if you made the mistake on the first address, so you can always check if there is error on the first address. And when you've done that, then what you have to do is to come here, click on resend PIN. Resend PIN. So, and if something, I want to tell you something that is very important. Even if you request for a new PIN and later on the old one arrive, you can still use that old one. It will be a duplicate PIN. You can still use it. Anyone that comes first is still valid. So that is it. So once you click on resend a new PIN, once you click on it, it will pop up like this. So I read from here. resend pin. A duplicate pin will be sent to your billing address. You can still use your original pin if it arrives first. Then it will write your billing address for you to know if the address is still okay. Then after doing that, you click on resend pin. You click on resend pin, which is this one. Once you click on resend pin, the letter, you will get a mail, as you can see. Pin sent July 27, 2022, as you can see, which is today's date, July 27. Pin sent July 27 to so address. So that is it. So if you are just joining for the first time, please subscribe to this channel. Always watch our videos, because we'll be showing you many things on how to make money online, how to verify most things online, and more importantly, how to make money online. So if you are joining for the first time, please like, share, subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Bye bye.